When we hear the word grapes, green bunches or purple-black grapes come to our mind immediately. But apart from these, there is also a special variety called pink grapes. These grapes look attractive with their rosy pink glow, have a sweet taste, and are rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Especially for home gardening, on a terrace, in a balcony, or in a small backyard, pink grapes are perfectly suitable. With proper care, these plants start producing good yields within 2 to 3 years. In this detailed guide, let's explore everything about growing pink grapes at home. Soil preparation, selecting saplings or cuttings, watering schedule, fertilizers, pruning, disease management, harvesting, and even the economic benefits. Pink grapes shine with a rosy pink color that makes them very attractive. Compared to common green or black grapes, they contain higher levels of natural antioxidants. Since their skin is thin, they are easy to eat. Their sweetness is higher, making them loved by both children and adults. Especially, homegrown pink grapes are fresher, juicier, and tastier than store-bought ones. On top of that, grapes you grow at home without chemicals are far healthier and safer. Pink grape plants thrive in warm and dry climates. They are not very suitable for extreme rains or very cold conditions. They require at least 6 to 7 hours of direct sunlight daily. For soil, well-drained loamy soil enriched with organic matter works best. If growing on a terrace, use a large drum or a 20 to 25-inch pot with proper drainage holes. Prepare the soil mix as 50% red soil plus 30% sand plus 20% organic manure or compost. This ensures proper root growth and better nutrition. Pink grapes can be grown in 2 ways. 1. Cuttings. 2. Saplings. Growing from cuttings is inexpensive and easy. Choose a healthy stem cutting about 1 foot long. Before planting, dip the cutting tip in rooting hormone powder to encourage fast root growth. If buying from a nursery, go for healthy 6 to 12 months old saplings for faster establishment. Watering is one of the most crucial steps. Too much water causes root rot, and too little water dries the leaves. During the summer, water every 2 days. During the rainy season, avoid waterlogging. In winter, watering twice a week is sufficient. For terrace gardening, setting up a drip irrigation system keeps the plants consistently healthy. For proper growth, grape plants need nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium in balanced quantities. Additionally, micronutrients like zinc, magnesium, and iron are also important. Apply organic manure once a month. Compost, vermicompost, cow dung manure, and organic liquid fertilizers like Jivamritham or Panchagavya can be used. During the flowering stage, increase potassium-rich fertilizer to ensure bigger and sweeter fruits. Pruning is a vital step in grape cultivation. Remove old, dried, and weak stems so that new healthy branches can grow. Generally, grapes require heavy pruning once a year. This ensures better sunlight penetration, proper airflow, and healthier clusters. With pruning, fruits grow larger, juicier, and tastier. Pink grape plants are prone to fungal diseases like powdery mildew, downy mildew, and anthracnose. To prevent these, spray neem oil or use biofungicides like trichoderma. Among pests, mealybugs, thrips, and caterpillars cause damage. For these, use organic insecticides instead of chemical pesticides, especially in home gardening since you'll be consuming the fruits yourself. Pink grapes usually start flowering 2 to 3 years after planting. Fruits mature in 90 to 120 days after flowering. Never harvest too early. Wait until the pink color is fully visible. Grapes don't ripen much after harvest, so timing is important. Cut the clusters with a small pair of scissors. They can be consumed fresh or stored in the refrigerator. Benefits of growing pink grapes at home. You get chemical-free, healthy fruits for your family. Seasonal fruits are available fresh right at home. Terrace gardening helps in cooling the house environment. Pink grapes are visually attractive, making them great for decoration too. Extra harvest can be shared with friends and family or sold for profit. Economic benefits of pink grapes. Pink grapes are generally sold at higher prices compared to common varieties. Growing 3 to 4 plants at home is enough for family needs and still produces 10 to 15 kilograms surplus. These can be sold in local markets or among neighbors. Since organic, chemical-free pink grapes are always in high demand, they also serve as a small source of extra income. By following these steps, proper soil preparation, balanced watering, organic fertilizers, pruning, and natural pest management, you can successfully grow healthy pink grapes at home. With good care, grapevines can continue producing fruits for 20 to 25 years.